Hi, I'm Helen and I'm the designer behind Sunflower Cottage Crochet. I design things for you, your family and your home primarily, and this year I'm trying to branch out and do more garments. Crochet can be a very isolating business to be in if you're not a member of a group like this. I joined CBA pretty much as soon as I started designing and became part of Sunflower Cottage Crochet. It's just a lot of fun with a lot of great people. They're my biggest cheerleaders, biggest supporters. If I have a problem or something I need to troubleshoot, they're always there to help. And they're always so positive and encouraging. It's just fabulous. I joined the Mastermind group because I'd become a little bit stuck in Sunflower and I really wanted to move to the next level, but I wasn't quite sure how to do that by myself. So if you're thinking about joining CBA, go for it. Sign up for the first year, see how you do, see the difference it'll make to your business, make some great friends along the way, and get involved in some great projects with some fabulous people.